Hi, my name is Caroline Brassard, originally from Canada, and I've been teaching at the Liverpool School since the beginning. It's more than 15 years. And I teach policy evaluation as part of the Essentials for Public Policy. And I think that all of us have in mind kind of three levels of objectives in our teaching. First is really to be aware of what is happening from an academic perspective and how that can be translated from a practical angle. So this level of awareness of bridging academia with practical world. And then how do we understand its applicability? Trying to reflect on our practices. What are the operational challenges? What are the social aspect of implementation challenges that we have? Belief systems, values. It's much more than just technical and academic. And finally, on the skills set, it's both the technical skills such as evaluation techniques, but also communication techniques. How do you communicate the results of policy evaluation, for example?